Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert videos into your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, on the top you're going to see something called Insert tab, click on that, and here on the right hand side you're going to see something called Media. You might also see it as Video, so click on Media and click on Video. And you're going to have three different options: this device, stock videos, and online videos. Click on this device for, of course, videos from this device. You can click on that, you can resize it, do whatever you want, put a border on it, put some effects on it, etc, etc, etc. You can also include YouTube videos, so click on Insert, go to Media, Video, Online Videos, and you're going to have a couple of different options, but here just copy and paste the URL of the video you want. Here's this video, click on Insert, and then you have some options to style it, but basically that is how you do it. You can also insert stock videos. I don't recommend this. I would generally recommend YouTube videos. And you can also insert screen recording, but that will be a different longer video. And that is it. That is how you insert videos into PowerPoint.